In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of a generated image in Artistly AI. One of the easiest ways to create cleaner and more professional visuals is by using the Background Remover tool. First, open your generated image inside Artistly AI and use the Background Remover tool to automatically separate the subject from the original background. Once the background is removed, you can place your subject onto a completely new background. This could be a modern office, a city at night, a studio setup, a beach sunset, or any environment you want. The key is choosing a background that matches the lighting and style of your subject, so everything blends naturally together. You can also use editing tools to adjust colors, shadows, and lighting for a more realistic final result. After everything looks good, use the Upscale tool to improve image quality and make the final design look sharper and more professional. This workflow is extremely useful for marketing graphics, YouTube thumbnails, social media content, product promotions, and branding materials. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.